Arrive in style with this Subaru 2015 Legacy 4-door Sdn 2.5i Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 110 amp alternator, 18.5 gallons fuel tank, two 12-volt DC power outlets, 3.90 axle ratio, 4-way passenger seat, 4-wheel disc brakes with 4-wheel ABS front and rear vented discs, brake assist, hill hold control and electric parking brake, 490cc maintenance-free battery with rundown protection, 60-40 folding bench, front-facing fold-forward seat, back rear seat and AHA selective service internet access. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.